is matter here? See, what matter means, matter is nothing but almost all things what you see around us. Means even this pen is a matter, whatever the ink I am using, that is a matter, book is a matter, body is a matter, air is a matter, oxygen is a matter, each and everything what is present around us. Already in this first unit we learn matter around us. That only we said that what is a matter over here. We are solid, liquid and gases. We know about the matter. But whatever the matter we are seeing, if that matter is pure or not, we want to know. Whether the matter is pure or not, we want to know. See, the pure is the word. For example, when you go to the gold shop, that is one of the best example. Why? Because whenever you go to a gold shop, you will be trying to buy a gold. You will be trying to know whether it is a pure gold or not. Okay. Some of the person what happen, they will be saying you that. Means when you go to the shop, whether it is a pure gold or not, how can you identify it? Means what are the ornaments and everything, whatever you are making it, they are not a pure gold, they are little bit mixed one. But because it will be that, that's why we'll be naming the gold with the different. Okay, okay. Whatever 9.1 and 9.6 kVm like that, they will be naming that 24 carats, 22 carats, 20 carats. The gold carats is getting decreased. Means here what is happening? Maybe it is not pure. That's why the carats is getting decreased. Means here the pure word comes on the surrounding. Whenever you drink a water, you'll be saying that whether it is a pure water or not. What does pure mean? Some of the things should not be present. Means something only the particular thing is present, that only we will be saying it as a pure. The same way in this activity one is asking you about that, is cream pure or not is asking. For example, if you take a cream, full cream is there. That cream what you did, you are taking the cream and you are taking a cruncher. Just you are rotating the cruncher inside that. When you are trying to rotate, see best I can say you that just you take a milk. Just you take a milk. The cream comes from milk only for it. Just take a milk and just try to crunch it. Just rotate it. What happens? The thick layer will be formed on the cruncher. You know, so when you are trying to crunch the with the help of this, what is happening here? Whatever the things which are present inside the cream, the fat and oil, what other things are present, each and every layer will be deposited on it. Means almost different things will comes out of from that. Whether based upon that, what is the process what you are doing? You are doing a centrifugation process here. What is the process? We can call it as a centrifugation process. We are doing a centrifugation process. Due to that, what we are trying to separate what all the things are present inside the cream. In that process, what happens? Some of the items will be get separated, some of the items may not be get separated. Some of the items will get mean most of the things will be get separated. Means if a thing which is consisting of different things inside that, different things which are present inside that this type of cream, so I can't say it as a pure. Means if it is not pure, what it is? Means I can say that it is a mixture. I can say it is a mixture. Mixture. What is a mixture now? Now question comes, what is mixture? Now mixture. You'll go to the mixture bundy, I think so. The vehicle will be there on that you will be go. Otherwise, if you go to the sweet shop, I'm saying one of the best example. Actually, what you do, why we call it as a mixture here. When you go to the sweet shop, when you take a mixer over there, what you will say to the person? You will be trying to say that you give me the different things, all the things will be separately you will be having over there. You will be saying them all from all, you can take one and just collect it and just place it and make it as a mixture, you will say. Here what you are doing, here you are taking all the different types of items and you're just trying to combine in a one place. That only we are calling it as a mixture. Means here mixture is the normally if you go to a juice shop or anything else, what happen, it will be get easily mixed. I can give you one more example. For example, if you want to identify whether it is a pure and if you want to know whether it is a mixture, then I can give you one example. If you take a gold biscuit and inside is the ornament is, if you take a gold biscuit, it will be having compulsory 24 carats. 24 carats. If I take a small piece of gold over here, if I take a small piece of gold from that, and if I check it out, even though that will be the gold only, the what is the present here also it will be the same only. Means in this some other different component is not present. It is consisting of everywhere, each and every part wherever you are taking it out. In all the parts it will be having the same thing. If it is having the same thing, such type of things we call it as a pure. Such type of things we call it as a pure. For example, if you are taking a combination of all the stones and everything else, just I give you the example of the mixture. The combination of mixture means if it is consisting of two or more components in that. If it is consisting of two or more components in there. For example, you have taken a bowl. In that bowl, you added a sugar, you added a salt, you added a dals, different types of dals. Means what is happening? All the dals and everything is mixed over here. So step of things only we call it as a mixture. Means here it is not consisting of single component. It is consisting of many components, many different components. The step of components together we are calling it as a mixture. Such type of component together we are calling it as a mixture. Is it clear now? Next, coming to the types of mixtures. We had two types of mixtures are there now. Okay, we have two types of mixture. One is homogeneous mixture, and another is the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, here homogeneous mixture is there, heterogeneous mixture is there. Means I can say which is homogeneous and which is heterogeneous. So for example, any component is there, you know that whether it is a mixture or it is a mixture. Means for example, I have taken sugar solution, sugar water, otherwise any juice. For example, in a glass of water, I added a sugar and mixed it completely. If I ask you to show me the sugar from that, can you show me the sugar? No. If any particle which was 100% completely dissolved in that, completely dissolved in the first step of mixture space, if it is, we know that here whenever you taste it, you will be identify that it is a mixture. If you add a salt in a water, it will be get mixed. If you are taking separate any other juice powders and if you are trying to mix, it will be get color changed and everything else. By that you can say that it is a mixture of so and so things. Means if it is dissolved completely by seeing that with the help of naked eye, you cannot identify that it is okay. This particle is present over here. This particle is present over here. Such type of mixtures means it is completely dissolved in the water. 100% completely dissolved in the water. Such type of mixtures I can call it as such type of mixtures called as I can call it as a homogeneous mixture. I can call it as a homogeneous mixture. Means here the mixture which is completely dissolved over here. Next, the mixture cannot be mixed. Means, for example, if I take a kerosene and water, if I add both of them, the kerosene layer will be present like that. Only the water layer will be present over here. Both never mix each other. Both never mix each other. For example, if I throw a stones into the water, the stones won't be get dissolved in that. The stone will be separately. You can identify this is the stone and here is the water. Such type of things we call it as a heterogeneous mixture. The mixture normally mixture which you take from the sweet homes as a tube, that mixture is also comes under the heterogeneous mixture. That's the mixture also will comes under the heterogeneous mixture. Means these all are the mixtures. Okay. Here best I can give you the example as air, sugar solutions, many different types of solutions. These are the example for the homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means when you take oil and water, kerosene and water. Otherwise, if you take the mixture residue, that also you can take. These all are the example for here. Example for here heterogeneous mixture. Here given is the example naphthalene and water, oil and vinegar. These all are the heterogeneous mixture which cannot be easily mixed in a water. Next, this is about the